So I first met Srila Prabhupada in 1976. Srila Prabhupada once made a statement. He says, I have come to turn all the hippies into happies.
हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। आज मेरे साथ श्रील प्रभुपाद के डिसाइपल हैं एंड हिज नेम इज जीवनाथ प्रभु।
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा। So Prabhuji is here for a long time in Krishna consciousness and he met Srila Prabhupada because he is a disciple. So we'd like to know from him about the past experience with Srila Prabhupada and all. तो अब हम लोग जानने की कोशिश करेंगे प्रभु जी से कि प्रभु जी श्रील प्रभुपाद के साथ जब मिले थे उनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था और प्रभु जी किस तरह के इंटरेक्शन रहे थे श्रील प्रभुपाद के साथ। So how was the experience with Srila Prabhupada?
Okay, so I first met Srila Prabhupada in 1976 at Rath Yatra in New York City.
1976.
1976. Yeah, well, as you may or may not know, His Divine Grace Srila Prabhupada left the planet in 1977. So I met him in 1976 at New York Rath Yatra, and that was the first time I saw him.
So प्रभु जी रथ यात्रा के टाइम श्रील प्रभुपाद से मिले थे और उस टाइम अराउंड न्यूयॉर्क सिटी।
New York City.
So वो न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में मिले थे। So how was that experience like? You were not in the devotee background and all, and at first you were not in the background of devotee association. You are
Actually, the first time I met Srila Prabhupada, I wasn't initiated yet.
okay.
It was prior to the Rath Yatra, the first Rath Yatra in New York City, and it was prior to my initiation, which was 2 days later.
So न्यूयॉर्क रथ यात्रा के 2 दिन के बाद प्रभु जी का इनिशिएशन हुआ था, दीक्षा मिला था श्रील प्रभुपाद से। So how was the preaching going around at in US or maybe in America at that time?
At that particular time, while Prabhupada was here, the preaching was so vibrant.
Okay.
Every temple was making new devotees almost every week. So everybody was very enthusiastic to please Srila Prabhupada. There was a lot of book distribution, a lot of Harinam going on.
So उस टाइम जब प्रभु जी मिले थे उस टाइम अमेरिका में श्रील प्रभुपाद बहुत ज़्यादा प्रीचिंग कर रहे थे और बहुत वाइब्रेंट प्रीचिंग कर रहे थे चारों दिशाओं पे। So how was the experience with the hippies at the time and all श्रील प्रभुपाद did with hippies?
That's funny because not everybody knows that word, but
Okay.
basically almost every one of Srila Prabhupada's disciples at some point can say, yes, I was in it.
Okay. So उस टाइम अमेरिका में मोस्टली हिप्पीज थे, मतलब श्रील प्रभुपाद के जितने भी डिसाइपल्स थे they just homeless, right? Those people.
No, not necessarily. Hippie doesn't mean homeless. Hippie
Okay.
just means we didn't want anything to do with present society.
Okay. So वो लोग प्रेजेंट सोसाइटी से हैप्पी नहीं थे और इस वजह से बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था। बट श्रील प्रभुपाद so by his Srila Prabhupada's mercies all of the devotees they somehow connected to Krishna consciousness.
Yes. Srila Prabhupada once made a statement. He says, I have come to turn all the hippies into happies.
तो प्रभुपाद ये कहा करते थे कि वो सारे हिप्पीज को हैप्पी बना देंगे। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा स्टेटमेंट दिया करते थे और ऑफ कोर्स he did that, right?
He did that. And you can see by, the fact that a lot of us are still chanting Hare Krishna some 50 years later.
Okay.
And happy? Yes. I'll say I'm happy.
Right. And अभी हम जानने की प्रयास करेंगे कि प्रभु जी कब मायापुर आए थे और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है। So when was your first time at Mayapur?
The first time at Mayapur was 1980.
1980?
Yeah.
For the first time.
For the first time. And back then, Sri Mayapur Dham was very, very austere.
Okay. So प्रभु जी 1980 के समय पहली बार मायापुर आए थे, फिर तो प्रभु जी आते जाते रहते थे मायापुर। So when was the time you just settled back to Mayapur?
When I came to actually live here was 7 years ago.
7 years ago? 7 साल पहले प्रभु जी ने डिसाइड किया कि अभी से वो मायापुर में रहेंगे और यही से प्रीचिंग करेंगे। So we will add some more questions.
Okay.
So now we will ask Prabhuji like what is his message like for devotees जो वैसे devotees हैं जो Indian हैं but अभी भी भक्ति से नहीं जुड़े हैं, तो हम जानने का प्रयास करेंगे कि प्रभु जी का क्या मैसेज है। So what is your message for the Indians who are not still connected in Krishna consciousness? but devotees we see nowadays outside from India, they are so much enthusiastic
Right.
about Bhakti.
Well, that's one of the interesting aspects of why I live in Mayapur is because Srila Prabhupada once referred to his American devotees in particular as
Okay.
dancing white elephants.
Dancing white elephants.
Yeah.
That
So-
was his statement.
Yes.
तो शिला प्रभुपाद जी कहा करते थे जो डिवोटीज़ हैं वाइट डिवोटीज़ वो सफ़ेद हाथियों की तरह डांस करते हैं, तो ये बहुत अच्छा स्टेटमेंट दिया करते थे.
So now that I'm actually retired from my family life and living here in Sridham Mayapur, basically wherever I go, it's preaching because they just see, wow, you're from somewhere not India, and you've taken to this process. So it's almost like it's in re-sparking the actual Krishna consciousness in every Indian's life.
तो अभी प्रभु जी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैवल करते हैं हरिनाम संकीर्तन के लिए, और जहाँ भी वो जाते हैं लोग शॉक्ड हो जाते हैं कि कैसे एक अमेरिकन डिवोटी इस तरह से प्रीचिंग कर रहा है और किस तरह से भक्ति कल्चर को स्प्रेड कर रहा है.
Okay?
थैंक यू सो मच प्रभु फॉर गिविंग
My pleasure.
some time and for this interview. And I'm so happy to just get connected with you, and you're actually a disciple of Srila Prabhupada. So it's really for me a wonderful opportunity to meet you and have good association, especially at the Harinam.
Especially Harinam. And this morning we also chanted japa together.
Yes,
We chanted
we do.
on our beads, Hare Krishna.
तो जब भी आप मायापुर आए तो प्रभु जी के साथ मॉर्निंग चैंटिंग कर सकते हैं. मॉर्निंग 6 o'clock प्रभु जी टेम्पल के सामने जपा राउंड्स करते हैं, so सारे डिवोटीज एक साथ मिलकर करते हैं.
Hare
Thank you so
Krishna.
much. Hare
Thank you.
Krishna.
Thank you for having me. Okay?
हरे कृष्ण.